Welcome to Heart Tech Repair's first video. This will be a teardown of the Motorola Droid Turbo. I'm just going to show you how to take this phone apart from start to finish. Let's get started. First we're going to remove our SIM tray. I'm going to place that aside. Now what we're going to do is that we're just going to go on ahead and start to unclip the sides as such. Go. Okay, now there's some adhesive adhering right here in the middle, so I would just put it on the hot plate for about a minute or so to loosen the adhesive up, and then you can go on ahead and remove this back. Remember, this piece will either stay in when you remove the back or it will come off. Regardless, make sure you hold on to that and you put that to the side. So here is our back piece with our phone. We're going to put these two pieces to the side. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go on ahead and remove these torque screws you see as such. And they're normally go on ahead and remove our bottom piece. I'm going to put that to the side. We're going to go on ahead and disconnect our battery as such. Remove our last two screws. Once those two screws are loose, you can go on ahead and lift your mid piece. Put that as well to the side. Now here, as we see, this here's our battery. Here's our NFC antenna. Here we have our rear camera, our AP speaker. Down here we have where our battery connects, as well as our charge ports. If we lift this up over to the side, here we have the inside. So now that we've already disconnected the battery, we're going to go on ahead and unplug our NFC antenna. And then we're going to take our sponger, we're going to lift our gate, and pull our screen out. Here's our screen. And here we have our battery, which can also be disconnected. Just be gentle. Just lift it up slightly on the edges. have our Motorola Turbo out in pieces. Now all you have to do to put it back is just do all the steps that you just saw me do back in reverse. And there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next time.